Hey, good morning to all my crafty buddies. I am just working away in my studio, and I thought I would share a little bit more about what I had been doing to get organized. You know, I have this new IKEA desk. It is one of the long ones. It has the space in the back to store your, trying not to make anybody sick. Has space in the back for your cords and things. And so I'm trying to get set up so I can videotape, but then still have everything here that I would normally work with. So if you see, let's start over here at the bottom. What I did with this, I have hooks on the edge here for things like stencils and my apron and scissors, that kind of stuff. And if you come down, I put a roll here for my shop cleanup, and then I have hooks again for things like my air compressor gun, more stencils, scissors, my heat tools, my little fan when I get hot, more scissors. And then you come up and we have alcohol spray, we have gel sanitizer for cleaning, we have water reservoir brushes and tools. You know, these are things that I use on the regular, tools like your bone folder and these silicone tools. And here are white pens, metallic pens, white pencils, things that I would use on top of a journal. This is a bin for black, so I've got black pens and that sort of thing. And this one, a rag, and then these are tools, you know, like when I'm doing gel plate printing and want to add texture and stuff. And then of course I have Stabilo. Okay, focus. I have Stabilo all. It's not focusing, is it? Oh well. What can I say? And more tools, glue things, water brushes and palettes and water soluble pens, alcohol ink, utility brushes, acrylic brushes, sprayers, punches, pixie spray and undo, and those are filled with ink and pencils. So I can fit a lot in a small space right beside my desk and have those things handy to work with. That's it for this morning.